Let's see how to build a smart AI chatbot that can work on multiple channels. For example, these are the supported channels on our platform, such as which can actually works on website, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, SMS, voice calls, Telegram, and on Viber as well. So let's see a live demo on how to build an omni-channel AI chatbot from scratch. So here I'm in a demo account over here, and as you can see here, we have connected all the supported channels as you see here. So to build the omni-channel AI chatbot, I'm going to make use of a free template over here. So if you go to the flows over here, so let me go to the flows, and in flows you will see a folder all free templates. So these free templates will be automatically installed on every account on our platform. So if you click on all free templates, here you can access all the free templates provided by us. So here for the smart AI chatbot, you can actually use this particular template right here. Smart conversational AI chatbot with a message delays and multiple user inputs. So I can simply use this one. So what you can do is, if you want to keep the original template as it is, you can simply duplicate this one over here. So click on duplicate it and play around it. So I have just duplicate this one. So let's see, we are planning to build an AI smart chatbot for a plumbing company. So let's rename this duplicated flow with that particular company name. So we have already created some business information about that particular demo company. So the company name is Sweet Flow Plumbing Solutions. So let me rename this particular flow as Sweet Flow Plumbing Solution AI bot. Simple as that, and click continue. All right. So now we can simply open this particular flow right here, and here you have to simply update whatever the business information about your company. Simple as that. So let me open the OpenAI action over here, and here you have to simply replace whatever the business information we have right here. So let me copy this information and simply paste it over here. All right, and here what you can do is, you can simply say you are a helpful assistant to this particular company over here, and respond to customers' question in just 1 to 2 sentences. All right, and you can keep other things as it is. So what happens is that whenever a particular customer asks any sort of questions about this particular business, this simply answer the customer using the information we have provided right here. So after that, let me click on publish over here, and let's set this particular flow, Sweet Flow Plumbing Solutions, as the default reply. So let me go to the settings over here. In settings, let me go to the general default reply, choose this particular flow. Simple as that. So now you have set this particular flow as the default reply. So what happens is that this simply works on all the supported channels right here. So you can test this on Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, or whatever the channels you like over here. So let's first test this on a website. So for that, you have to actually create a website chatbot. So let me click on manage over here, and here we already have a website chat widget created. So let's use that one just for the demo. So otherwise you can actually easily create one as well. So let's simply use this one. So this will be the name over here. So I'm going to replace this particular name with that particular company name right here, so that when someone actually chat with that particular website chat widget, they will see that particular company name right there. And you can even add a welcome message as well. For example, let's say a particular customer clicks on the web chat, and you can automatically send a message to them as well. So here I haven't set any sort of welcome messages over here, so let's keep as it is. And here you have the option to show the logo as persona, and here you can also customize using the CSS as well. So we have some small customization over here. Let's save it. All right, it has been saved. So now let's click on get the code. So click on get code over here. All right, the code has been copied. So you have to simply copy paste that particular code on your website footer section. Simple as that. So let me create a simple landing page over here, just to show you how this actually looks like. So click continue. So here let me add a landing page element over here, and simply add the code over here. All right, and paste it. Simple as that. So if you want to you can also add a headline. So let's add that particular website or company name as the headline as well. So let me add this one as well. So let's say website. So let me say like this. All right, So let me show how this actually looks like. So let me preview this one. So it says this is the website, and as you see, we see a chat widget right here. So you can even customize this particular chat widget as you wish. You can change the icons, you can change the colors, a lot of possibilities are there, but let's go with the default one over here. So let me click on this one, and we should see the suite plumbing solution is here. So now if a particular customer asks any sort of questions over here, then the AI chatbot will respond to them. So let me say hi and see what sort of response we are receiving right here. And we received a message right here. Hello, how can I assist you with your plumbing needs today? So here, keep in mind there is a delay setup as well. So here, this particular flow, suite flow plumbing solution AI bot, which we just duplicated from the free template, there's a delay of 20 seconds. So once you send any sort of messages, it will delay like 20 seconds before it actually send you the response over here. So now let me ask some other questions as well. So let me open this particular business information over here and ask about, do you offer warranties on your work? All right, so let me ask this question. So now let me ask this question, and before the bot sends us a reply, we can ask some other question as well. So let me ask this question once again as well. So here I have asked two questions. Do you offer warranties on your work? Do you offer financing options? So let's see how these actually respond to us over here. So as I mentioned, we have to actually wait about 20 seconds before it actually respond to us. Now we got the response. It says, yes, all our repairs come with a 90-day warranty and our installation have 1 year warranty. We also offer flexible financing plans for major plumbing projects. So whatever the chats happening right here can be easily tracked on the Omni-Channel inbox as well. So if we go to the Omni-Channel inbox and if I refresh over here, we can see all the chats happening right here. So here a customer sent hi and the bot said this sort of message, and again customer asks two questions. Here the bot respond as well. So an agent can also simply jump in and talk with the customer as well. And also, if a particular customer's intent is to talk with an agent, this can automatically assign the conversation to an agent as well, or transfer the conversation to the human folder as well. So here this is now all conversation, and here it says bot is active. So this particular conversation will be in the bot folder for now. So as you see, if I go to the bot folder, you see guest bot is active. So now if a particular conversation is transferred to the human, at that point the chatbot will be stopped and an agent can jump in and talk with the customer as well. So let me show how this actually works as well. So let me send a message over here. Can I please talk with an agent please? So now I'm actually sending a I just send a message over here asking can I please talk with an agent please. So let's see how these actually respond to us. So we need to actually wait about 20 seconds before it actually sends us a response over here, but let's see what happens over here. So keep in mind it says bodies, so it also sent us the response as well. I have connected you with a human agent, they will assist you shortly. So if I go here, we should see the response right here. So now if we go to the human folder, we should see this particular conversation, but if we go to the bot folder, we no longer see that particular conversation. So the reason is that particular chat is already transferred to the human folder. So now if a particular customer send any sort of messages over here, they won't get any sort of replies from the bot. An agent has to reply right here, and they can actually talk with the customer as well. So the bot is paused at the moment, and here agent can simply send any sort of messages to the customer right here. So let me send this emoji just for the demo, and the customer will receive it right here. As you see, simple as that. So this is how it actually works on a website. So now let's see how this can actually works on the Instagram as well. So this everything is very similar. So here if you go to the analytics, so this is the Instagram account connected right here. So let me share my phone screen over here and show you how this actually works. Alright, so here I'm in Instagram. So let me send a message over here, hey, and see what happens. So here this will take 20 seconds before it actually sends us a response, but it simply works. So as I mentioned, any chats happening on all these channels can be easily tracked on the Omni-Channel inbox. So if we go to the all conversation, we should see this particular person has sent a message, hey. So let's see what sort of response the chatbot is actually going to send us. So it will take 20 seconds. As you see, we receive the response. So this also supports the voice inputs as well. So let me ask, what services do you provide, and can you please provide some information about the pricing as well? I also want to know which areas do you serve and what is your phone number as well. So here I sent 2 voice notes over here. Let's see how this AI chatbot responds to us. So first question is actually about asking the pricing and the services, and also the next question I ask is about what areas and also the phone number of that particular company. So we need to wait a little bit before we actually check this one. Alright, we received the response. So this is a very big response because we actually asked tons of questions over there. So it says we offer a wide range of services including emergency plumbing, drain cleaning, water heater installation and repair, leak detection, pipe installation, fix repairs, sewer line services, backflow prevention, and so on. Pricing varies by service, with emergency services starting with 150 and other services like these are the pricing over here. And also it says we serve major cities in California, Texas, Florida, New York, and those kind of things. And also it simply provides the phone number as well. So I asked all these questions in just 2 voice notes and it simply respond to us right here. Simple as that. So this can also works on other channels too. So let me show that on the WhatsApp as well before we end this video. So let me go to the analytics section. So this is the WhatsApp connected right here. So let me share my phone screen again and show you how this actually looks like. So here in the WhatsApp, so let me say, so let me record a voice note over here. Why should I work with your company for plumbing needs? So let me send this a voice note and let me ask some other questions as well. I want to know if you provide your services in New York City. So I have just sent 2 things. One is a voice note and another thing is just a question in the text format. Let's see how this actually works over here. So we should receive the response in just 20 seconds. So, and we just received the message right here. It says Swift Plumbing Solution is a reliable, trusted company with license and insurance plumbers committed to delivering exceptional service for all your plumbing needs. Yes, we provide services in New York City. Simple as that. So if we go to the inbox over here, we should see the WhatsApp as well. So here initially we tested on the website, Instagram, and now on the WhatsApp as well. So let's say an agent can simply send a message on the WhatsApp as well. So let's say, hey, live agent is here. So let me send this message. As you see, as soon as the agent sent, the bot is active, is gone. And if you go to the human folder, you should see this particular conversation in the human folder because agent has already sent a message from the Omni-Channel inbox. Simple as that. So let me show that as well. So here we receive the message over here. Simple as that. So that's a quick and easy way to create smart AI chatbot that can work on multiple channels. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.